Hi YouTube, I saw a video about parlor guns, parlor rifles on Forgotten Weapons channel in YouTube, and I have something similar, interesting here. I own this rifle now about 30 years ago. I bought it, I own it for 30 years, and what looks like a K98 rifle and has the weight of a K98 rifle was actually made for the Persian army as a training rifle for their cadets. So it seems that when you start in Persian army and want to become an officer, you have to start quite early, and what they issue to them is something like this, with a lot of, you can see, I hope my camera can focus on it, that has a lot of engravings in Persian language, also the sights, adjustable sights, maybe you can't read that, 100 meters or so. So maybe we find someone who can read this. And it was made by the German company Anschütz. And it's a pellet gun. Here's the lever to operate it. Latch, you have to pull. It's quite heavy. Then you can load it with the 22 pellet, 5.5 millimeters. Close this door and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.